We know no king, but the king in the north whose name is Stark.
Kill the boy, Jon Snow. Winter is almost upon us. Kill the boy. And let the man be born. They think you're some kind of god. The man who returned from the dead. I'm not a god. My name. My real name is Aegon Targaryen.
Jon Snow avenged the Red Wedding. He is the White Wolf. The king in the north.
He was named Lord Commander of the Night's Watch. He was named King of the North. Not because of his birthright. He has no birthright. He's a damn bastard. All those hard sons of bitches chose him as their leader.